welcome back to my channel. This is Shirley. I'm excited to share with you all the secrets to making the most delicious pesto chicken quarters you've ever tasted. Now, let's talk about why this recipe is a game changer for your next meal. We all know the struggle of dry or bland chicken, right? Well, with the magic of pesto marinade, those days are long gone. This recipe is here to rescue your taste buds and elevate your dining experience. So, what do you need to make this mouth watering dish? Gather your chicken leg quarters, some vibrant pesto sauce, and a blend of your favorite seasonings. The marinating process is key here, infusing the chicken with rich flavors there. That will make every bite a true delight. Make sure the chicken is marinating for at least 30 minutes or more. Once marinated, it's time to hit the grill. Make sure it's preheated and ready to go. Cooking these quarters low and slow will ensure they stay juicy and tender. The sound of the grill marks forming, the pesto sauce caramelizing. It's a sensory experience like no other. Watch as the chicken develops a mouth-watering char that will have your taste buds dancing with joy. In conclusion, grilling chicken leg quarters with pesto is a game changer. The result? Juicy, tender chicken bursting with flavors that will have your taste buds dancing. I urge you to give this recipe a try and experience the magic for yourself. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes, and share your own grilled chicken leg quarters with pesto experiences in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Stay connected. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.